nila ng full set o mag-iiba yung kwento pagdating sa koponan ng San Sebastian.
Deyala and Ramos both have 22 points today. Kring Batara is the third player in double figures with 10 points. For San Sebastian, it's Juna Gonzalez leading the way with 18. Klein Abraham contributing 12 and KJ Junicio providing 11 points. We begin set number 5 between San Sebastian and JRU, and we start off with a Ramos hit.
And I'm sure itong si Navarra, once again, pupuntahan niya yung best attacker na medyo mainit when it comes to this kind of game, and hindi naman siya binibigo ng mga teammates niya.
Okay, let's go quickly to our courtside reporter, Bianca Tagarda.
A good first ball always solves everything. And yan ang mantra ni Coach Mian Dioseco for this game. Ito raw kasi ang strength na napansin niya nung past games sila at nasatisfied pa nga raw siya sa depensa kaysa sa opensa na ipinapakita ng kanyang mga players. 2 back-to-back 5-setter games. But for Coach Mia, kung meron man daw natututunan ng players niya from extended matches, iyon ay ang pagkapit lang sa laban. Sabi nga ni Coach Mia, before the 5th set, pinaghirapan nyo ito. Huwag nyong ibibigay basta-basta. Hindi pwedeng ibibigay nyo lang dahil pagod na kayo. Martin and John Vic.
That is true. Kailangan ng resilience para sa JRU dito. Especially, you know, with how they took set number 4. And that's gonna be an error on Ramos' part. So, apante ang San Sebastian.
Alam mo, itong nangyayari dito sa game na to, kung ang JRU ay magbibigay na maraming unforced error dito sa San Sebastian, mag-iiba yung story talaga natin. Malolow moral sila, hindi nila maibabalik kung ano yung moral nila nung 4th set. And ito namang San Sebastian, nakikita ko mas maganda yung galaw nila ngayon nung nag-start itong 5th set natin.
So, this is the first 5-setter match for San Sebastian this season, and it is the 4th for the Lady Bombers. Itong JRU 2-1 so far sa 5-setters. But here in the early moments, it is San Sebastian taking an early lead. This was the theme in the first 3 sets. Angelica Yonko is back on the floor for Swamer. And Juna Gonzalez unleashing a nice serve. Yonko working right away. Here's Marasigan off the hands. They bring it to Ramos, who had to angle it, and it goes in.
Down the line, Nina Ramos.
Another long ball successfully executed by Nina Ramos. And this was double difficulty because she had to adjust her body to take that ball. Faulty first ball for San Sebastian. Ramos connects.
Wow.
Ramos.
And she is on a roll. Couple of mistakes to begin set number 5, but she has made up for them.
Grabe.
Ramos now with 24. Here is Tina Marasigan. Ramos on the approach. Popped up by Palahadia.
Oh, walang attacker.
Scramble for San Sebastian. Batara.
Wow.
Yes.
Kring Batara spots the hole in the match.
It's really good to see JRU working really hard para sa game na ito. Ay, makikita mo yung teamwork nila. Talagang yung smoothness ng flow ng game.
3 straight points for the Lady Bombers. And now they've overtaken San Sebastian in the scorecard. Abraham cross-court. And again, she has mastered that. Diba, yung mga cross-court hits na yun, yung mabibilis lumapag. For all. 13 puntos para kay Klein Abraham in her first year as a Lady Stag. Yonko. Sent back by Baste.
For the Lady Stags.
5-4 is the tally.
Grabe yung twist ng mga scores, no? Lalamang ang Baste. Lalamang ang JRU. Ngayon, lamang na naman ang Baste.
Ito. Yonko. Di tumawid.
4 touches on JRU.
So,
Point
6-4
for San
lead
Sebastian.
for San Sebastian. This will
There's
be
a challenge on
challenged
the call by JRU.
by
The challenge
Coach
is
Mia.
block touch.
Okay. May block touch kaya.
Well, I don't think may touch doon. Based dito sa nakita natin,
Yeah.
sobrang lapit sa atin nung situation na yun. And I don't think mayroong block touch. So,
Malinaw eh. No? Tumalbog sa net.
sa kupunan ng JRU, most especially yung middle and yung outside hitter nila, talagang ginagawa ang best. Kaso nagkakaroon lang sila ng konting, di ba, pagkukulang doon sa kanilang positioning.
Again, kaagaling lang po sa 5-set match ng JRU against LPU last time. And the 5th set went to an extension even. 16-14. Bago nakuha ng JRU yung panalo doon. So San Sebastian though, they're trying to get another win here in the competition. Let's see, was there a touch? In most cases, when the review is like this, John Big, na hindi nakikitang touch.
Yeah.
But we'll see if this is the same case.
Well, kung sa spike kasi, medyo mahirap. Dahil may force may power.
Yeah.
Pero yung mga drop ball na gano'n, I don't think so. Well, di natin alam. Baka may touch nga.
Wala.
Upon review, there was
That's a
no
good
block
amount of
touch.
gap
Yeah.
between the ball
Challenge by
and
JRU was
the hands of the blockers.
The good challenge for Coach. Malay natin yung momentum na pataasanan ng San Sebastian ay ma-stop
One
nila.
answer for San
pwede rin.
Sebastian. 6 serving 4.
6 serving 4. Short serve was saved.
Good.
And Ramos is denied.
Ramos
Well, actually,
by
they
the San Sebastian
Expect that to
blockers.
happen. Kasi alam nila yung pupuntahan na nila ng
Timeout,
attacker eh.
JRU.
Yep. 4-0 run for San Sebastian.
Isa-isa. Wala. At etong set na to, wala pa tayong magandang first ball. Check. Puntahan niyo yung bola, taas nyo. Kaya sinisiksik dito yung set eh. Kasi dito lang yung binibigay ang baba. Ang mahabol yung setter natin, no?
Mga kapuso, coming up next, we have a game in Group B. LPU versus San Beda po ang magtatapa. That comes later at 2:30 p.m. So don't go away.
Still
We'll
serving for the ladies'
go to a quick
stands is
break
Fia
after we
Ramos.
wrap up the first game, and then it's LPU versus San Beda. 7-4 in favor of San Sebastian, and they
Another
continue
block point for
to
San
deny
Sebastian.
JRU's attempts.
Alam mo, maganda yung start ng JRU. Maganda yung first ball nila, maganda yung setting. It's just that they need someone na makakatulong when it comes to positioning ng attack. Dahil basang-basa na nila na ang bibigyan ng bola ay yung mga open hitter.
That's true. Might be a good idea to go back to Kring Batara if you're Kyla Navarra. So, although John Vic, JRU has been in this position more than one time today.
Yeah.
You know, trailing.
Totoo.
But it's just difficult here in the 5th set kasi mas konti ang scoring natin. Kumbaga, you know, it's only up to 15 points. So, the 4-point leads like this feel a lot more.
Yeah. But, again,
Ramos.
hanggat hindi pa tapos, di ba? Sinasabi na, hanggat hindi pa tapos ang 15 point.
Yan.
Hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Zarino Ramos is back swinging for the Lady Bombers after getting denied a few times when they were on the other side.
Well, I think kailangan nila ma-activate yung middle blockers.
yeah.
Kailangan ng tumulong sa attack. Oh my.
Oh,
Net fall
net
on
direction Kring.
JRU. Point for San
This is a
Sebastian.
costly error on the side of JRU.
This is actually a different JRU compared to dun sa fourth set natin,
Yeah.
Martin. Less yung error nila, maganda yung attack, maganda ang defense, hindi rattle, but this time,
Oh. They're a bit erratic. Marasigan.
Good timing.
Back to Tina. Nandun si Deala. They will bring this to Ramos, who was not ready. Marasigan tips it over. No. Deala off the underhand pass.
Good coverage.
Back row hit. Goes to the net.
Attack error on Ramos. Point for
10 to
the
5
Stars.
for San Sebastian. And this is a
Timeout.
huge
JRU.
lead in set 5.
Dulo-dulo lang. Pagod kayo, pagod din sila. Pero it doesn't mean hindi nyo aayusin yung ginagawa natin. Minamadali nyo. One good reception, i-play natin, ba't tayo nabablock? Napafrustrate kayo, ba't kayo nabablock? Eh, binibigay nyo sa blocker. Natural mabablock kayo.
So we just gotta point this out. Kalahati po ng punto so far ng San Sebastian ay nanggaling sa error ng
Grabe.
JRU sa set 5. 5 errors already for the Lady Bombers.
Well, ito yung napaka-crucial
Serving
na
for
fifth set.
San
And
Sebastian
yet,
is Clyde Abraham.
ito pa yung set kung saan ang daming errors ang ibinigay nitong JRU sa San Sebastian.
Woo! Set 4, they only had 3 all
The
set.
short for Abraham.
Diba?
Point for JRU.
So, JRU getting a point back off a San Sebastian attack error. So, Yonko now starts. Not a lot of room for errors for JRU in this stretch.
The timing.
Marasigan.
Oh!
Oh, it's another
Net
error.
foul on
Another-
the Lady Bombers.
Yeah.
Point for the Lady
Tignan natin kung
Stars.
mag-challenge dito si Coach.
Yeah, Karing
There's a challenge on the
contested
ball by JRU.
immediately.
The challenge is net touch.
Wala daw.
Sayang. Ako, I know, nakakapanghinayang lang
Oh.
yung game dahil ang ganda nung pinapakita nitong JRU, especially nung fourth set natin. And pagdating dito sa fifth set, parang
Wala.
sila yung nagdidictate ng laro ng San Sebastian. Kumbaga binibigyan nila ng free point, ng high moral itong San Sebastian na mag-usa dito sa fifth set natin.
Sinignal ni second referee Choi Bukid. Siko daw yung tumama dito kay Kring Batara sa net. We'll see.
Kaya ang mahirap pa dito, Martin, kasi ball in play. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya kill block or whatsoever para magkaroon tayo ng basis na kahit malate yung touch net mo, eh walang block or kill block na nangyari.
Yeah. Tumama ba yung siko ni Kring?
Mukhang tama.
Oh.
Tumama yung kamay.
Kamay mismo.
Oo.
Yeah. Or it wasn't
There was
Kring.
a net
It
touch.
was
So the challenge
it
by
Navarra?
JRU
Yeah,
it's
was
Navarra.
It's Navarra, yeah.
unsuccessful.
yung kamay ni Kyla
The Lady
Navarra.
Bombers have no remaining challenge for the
So,
set.
Kaya tama naman si Kring. Wala
Point
siyang
and serve for
nahawakan
San
kasi yung kakampi niya.
Sebastian.
Yung nakatama.
11,
But it's a
serving 6.
5-point lead for San Sebastian. Nice serve by Tina Marasigan. They go to Nicole Diala. Navarra. Nicole again will take. And it's another kill
The
block for
block
Bastet.
point went in for San Sebastian.
Right now, mapipil mo na yung pressure para sa koponan ng JRU.
Yeah. This is a big learning experience for them, especially down the stretch. Na check na yung parehong wing spikers.
And knowing na si Dionisio ang isa sa mga pumipigil dito kay Deala.
That's right. Lazarte. Oof. Balahadya and Abraham colliding. Gonzalez. Navarra goes to Deala.
Wow!
And Nicole scores.
Yep.
Nicole Diala.
7-12
joins the
advantage.
match.
Hindi pa tapos, Martin. Alam mo, ako sa nakikita ko, since
JRU. Number 16
limited yung
out.
position
Number 3,
na pinagkukuha ng attacks itong JRU, might as well mag-iba sila ng kumbaga ng direction kung saan nila papapuntahin yung bola.
Bola. Yeah, that's true. Dunka is now on the floor. Juna Gonzalez.
Wow.
Dunka with the defense. Oh, it's another
Oh.
net touch.
Net touch
Yeah.
on
Actually, pareha sila
JRU.
ng touch net doon.
Point for
Attack
San
and itong si
Sebastian.
Was it Di Matawaran?
Di Matawaran. Pero nauna si Di Matawaran based sa call itong si Coach Choi.
13-7. San Sebastian only 2 points away from taking another win. Their 4th one in the season. And Gonzalez
Off the
will
block,
put
shoot away,
San Sebastian
Gonzalez.
in match point situation. They have 7 points to play with.
Yep.
It's match point for
Well, hindi pa tapos to, Martin. I remember when we won the championship.
Serving for the match.
ganito.
It's KJ
14-7.
Okay. Let's see if JRU can come alive. Deyala. Gonzalez. Inabot ni Karabot, but a little delayed. And San Sebastian survives in 5 sets. Without Kat Santos, they're able to beat JRU 15-7 here in the 5th. And our best player of the match is Klein Abraham, tallying 13 attack points. Congratulations to San Sebastian. And mga kapuso, we'll wrap up the coverage right now. See you later for LPU San Beda here in our coverage.